Welcome to the mysterious world of stock trading. Imagine a place where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Sounds thrilling, right? The stock market is a dynamic and ever-changing environment that can be both exhilarating and intimidating for newcomers. Well, today, I'm your guide through this enigmatic landscape. We'll break down the complexities and help you understand the basics. Get ready for Stock Trading 101. This is your first step into a world where knowledge and strategy are key. First, let's demystify the stock market. It's not as complicated as it seems once you get the hang of it. Think of it as a giant marketplace, but instead of fruits and vegetables, people are buying and selling pieces of companies. These transactions happen every second of the trading day. These pieces are called stocks. They represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you own a tiny slice of that company. This ownership can entitle you to a portion of the company's profits, usually paid out as dividends. Now, to make things even more intriguing, why do stock prices change? It's like a dance. The stock price sways with the tunes of supply and demand. Various factors influence this dance, including company performance, economic indicators, and market sentiment. If more people want a stock, the price goes up. If they don't, the price goes down. Simple, yet mysterious. This constant fluctuation is what makes the stock market so captivating. Ever heard of a stock exchange? Picture a grand hall buzzing with activity. It's the heart of the financial world where all the action happens. The New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, these are the stages where the drama unfolds. Each exchange has its own unique characteristics and trading hours. Here, traders shout, signals fly, and deals are made. It's a high-energy environment where every second counts. Let's talk about the players. There are two main types of traders, bulls and bears. Bulls are optimistic. They believe stock prices will rise. They are often seen as the drivers of market growth. Bears, on the other hand, are pessimistic. They believe prices will fall. Bears can drive the market down, creating opportunities for those who know how to navigate a declining market. This eternal tug of war is what keeps the market alive and kicking. Now you might wonder, how do I start trading? The first step is to educate yourself and understand the basics. It's simpler than you think. First, you need a brokerage account. This account will be your primary tool for buying and selling stocks. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. Without it, you can't participate in the trading action. With it, you can buy and sell stocks with just a few clicks. The convenience of online trading platforms has made stock trading accessible to everyone. Research is your best friend. Dive into company reports, follow the news, and stay updated. Knowledge is power. The more informed you are, the better your trading decisions will be. Remember, start small and never invest money you can't afford to lose. The stock market can be unpredictable, and it's important to manage your risk. The stock market is a game of patience and strategy. Successful traders often have a long-term perspective and are not swayed by short-term market fluctuations. It's not about quick riches, but long-term growth. Building a diversified portfolio and holding on to your investments can yield significant returns over time. In conclusion, stock trading is like stepping into a grand adventure. It's a journey filled with learning, growth, and the potential for financial success. It's filled with risks and rewards. Understanding these risks and managing them effectively is key to becoming a successful trader. But with the right knowledge and a touch of mystery, you can navigate this world confidently. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in making trading decisions. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? The world of stock trading awaits you with open arms. Hit that subscribe button for more mysterious guides. Until next time, trade wisely and let the mystery of the markets unfold. Thank you for watching.